So just got to, what's it called? Come North, is it? Something like that. Car park, which is the biggest car park in the waterfalls. Probably enough space for about 40 vehicles. We haven't got a clue where we're going. We tried waiting for someone to walk first, but no one would walk, so I'm guessing everyone got the same idea as us and just winging it really. So yeah, just on a little pathway now. It looks heavily walked on, so I'm guessing this is the right way. So we've bumped into a few people, too shy to ask them if we're going in the right direction, but we've just come to the signs now. And we're 2 minutes away from the first waterfall. I put it in here, I'm not even going to attempt saying what it's called. Sgwd something, that's all I'm going to say. I put it in here somewhere. There's two different routes. You can stay on like a gravel track and then stay on that, and then it'll take you down like a 2-minute walk each time, or you can go across like a rough, rugged kind of path, which you follow the water course right the way up. So we're gonna stick to the gravel track we are, just because we don't really know where we're going. So me and Jess are obviously rookies. We missed 2 of them out, but we're gonna head down to this one now, the one you can walk behind. So that's going to be cool. And then there's another 2 that we'll be going back to then. I haven't got a clue what they're called, but we'll put the names in here. You see people behind there? Yeah, I said, am I going to go behind there? Of course I am. What reason why I came here? Yeah, just a warning for the steps of doom to Mordor. It's not easy coming back up there. I had a bit of a sweat on. So yeah, I counted 167 steps. If you've ever done this before, drop them in the comments how many steps you think there was. My maths ain't the best, mine, so could be a few out. So that's number 3 done. Right, so that's a wrap Four Waterfalls done, a couple of smaller ones in between. Me and Jess found this, or Jess found this I should say, on YouTube. About 50-minute drive from where we live, so decided to go because this is my first weekend off in ages. The terrain is quite tough in places, so don't let people on YouTube fool you and say it's an easy walk, because it's not. So yeah, lovely walk. I think we're just over 9k now, but it's not easy, so make sure you've got proper footwear on. No slips, trips and falls. Peace.